Right, so now we've shown how to insert a text box, how to use the right-click method to copy a text box, some formatting skills. Let's try something a little different. I'm going to recreate task 1 by clicking on the text box button. I'm going to start with my text box, which I'm going to drag from guideline to guideline. Waiting to see it come up here. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay, let's type in business information 12. I'm going to highlight that line of text because it always comes up in size 10. I'm going to make it bigger so we can read it. Let's center it. And remember, it is centered within the text box, which is positioned from guideline to guideline. Now, rather than using the right-click copy and then right-click paste, I'm going to do something a little different this time. I'm going to put my pointer on the border of the text box. I'm going to hold down my right mouse button. I'm going to drag. This is the right drag method. When you let go of your right mouse button, you'll see this little pop-up menu, move, copy, or cancel. I'm going to copy here. I get the exact same text box. BIM12. I forgot to type my little hyphens at the beginning and end, so I'll do that. Alright, now because this text box has the least amount of writing in it, I'm going to do the same thing a whole bunch of times. I'm going to copy that one. I'm going to put my pointer again on the boundary, hold down my right mouse button, use my right drag method, copy that one. I'm just going to scroll down the page a little bit here so I can see where I'm going. Put my pointer on the border of the text box, hold down the right mouse button, drag down and release, copy it again. Hold down the right mouse button, drag, release, copy again. Now I just need to go back and make some changes to my text boxes. And I don't have to do any more of that annoying formatting because I already did it once. And exploration, and design, and presentation. Let's see. James Bond, 007, why not? Get rid of that. Today's date, March 26th, 2010. And the teacher is Mel Burgess. Now I have one extra text box. Just as a quick reminder, if I want to get rid of a text box, simply left click on the border, has to be on the border, and either press delete or backspace and it's gone. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here, be able to see my whole page. And the last part of task 1 is to move it from one spot to another. Just kind of randomly spacing them across my page. Oops, maybe I needed to move them up. I'm just kind of trying to stagger them across the page evenly. Something like so. There we go. That's good enough. It looks pretty close to task 1. Last step is to save it. I'm in 2003, Microsoft Publisher 2003 at the moment. If you're in 2007, you'll see an Office button up here. If you're in 2003, click File. You will see Save or Save As. It doesn't matter the first time you're saving something. Even if I click on Save here, I'm going to get the Save As dialog box. If you're working at home, put it in your My Documents folder. If you're working at school, put it in your My Documents folder. You will see it's very important to save it in. If you're at school, make sure you're saving things in the My Documents folder or it will be forever lost. I'm going to call this task 1. And then you can go ahead and click Save.